Hi, my name is Andy Carlton, and I'm one of the founders of Goldleaf Financial Services. I've been in the construction industry for over 40 years. I know the industry. I have developed, with my partners, financial products that we call the Financial Freedom Program. Every contractor needs this. If you have insurance, which everybody does, on your car, on your home, your life insurance, your health insurance, recreational vehicles. I can go on and on with all the different types of insurance that are out there. What insurance do you have for your business to protect your income? I want to put money in your account that doesn't cost you anything. There are no fees for it. There's no prepayment penalties. You don't pay any interest on it unless you use it. And then you can pay it back at any time. A couple of years ago, I saw lumber prices go up 5 to 10 times in value over the course of 12 months to 18 months. What if you had a house under construction and you were a contractor and you were at a fixed cost? How do you complete the house? If you're a homeowner and you're paying a contractor on a cost-plus basis, how do you afford to finish your own house? The best thing you can have is a line of credit that doesn't cost you any money at all, and you have it there for 12 months, 6 months, 18 months, with no cost to you at all, that you could borrow against when you need it. For example, if an opportunity comes up, instead of taking money out of cash flow, don't hurt your business. Take it off your credit line. Repay it at your convenience. If you have an opportunity to buy more inventory because the price goes down, instead of taking it out of cash flow, take it out of your credit line. It's always there for you. It's an insurance policy that makes sure your bills are going to be paid, your family's safe, your family's secure, and your business is secure. And your employees have the confidence in you as a leader of your business that you're going to stay in business. If you haven't suffered a downturn in your business, then you're either brand new or you haven't been around that long, because it will happen. In my 40 years, we survived wars, the FDIC going under, the NASDAQ second home business totally collapsing. You couldn't buy a job in '08 when the banks went broke. That wasn't a recession, as the government calls it. That was a nuclear disaster. You have to be prepared to stay in business through this, because it will happen. The economy is volatile. The supply chain is unreliable right now. Nobody knows what direction this economy is headed. A zero interest credit line. They didn't have this when I was in business. I had to go to the banks and I had to supply W-2s, tax returns. I had to show them what jobs I had going on, cash flow. This wasn't available. This is now available easy. I can fund in 24 hours. Most of the time it's between 48 and 72 hours, but depends on how fast you get me things back that I need. With direct lenders, we act fast, we're flexible, and we have great terms. But when I speak to people and they say we don't need any money, after 40 years in the industry, I can only tell you that you will. If you don't now, you will in the future. Having $100,000 or $500,000 in an account that you can draw upon, that doesn't cost you any interest at all while it's sitting there. No fees to have, and no prepayment penalties. That is a gift. That's what I want to give every contractor, the ability to have $100,000, $500,000 in an account that you can draw upon when needed. In the meantime, it doesn't cost you 5 cents. You pay insurance for everything: cars, boats, houses, health, life. Anything you have an insurance policy. and you pay for that. I'm giving you an insurance policy that doesn't cost you any money, and this policy insures you against anything that might come up that could cause you not to pay your bills on time or to pay the other insurances that you have. You can't walk around without health insurance or auto insurance. So what happens if your business can't pay that because of a bump in the road or a cost overrun? Well, with what I have, here's the insurance that your business needs to make sure that life goes on as usual. Plus, your employees, very, very important that they have confidence in their business that they work at and their jobs, because they have families also. This is what we bring to the table. We bring financial freedom to the table at no cost. Use our money to make money.